Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Zulay Kitchen 6-piece wooden spoons for cooking, smooth finish teak wooden utensils for cooking, soft comfort grip wood spoons for cooking, non-stick wooden cooking utensils, wooden spoon sets. Top-notch craftsmanship. Our kitchen premium wooden utensils for cooking are specially made, high-quality wooden utensils that serve all your cooking needs. Our wooden kitchen utensil set consists of 6 utensils that include a salad spoon, salad fork, serving spoon, skimmer, spatula, and turner. Easy to clean, easy to store. This wooden spoon set for cooking is made with long-lasting outstanding quality. Teak wood is particularly valued for its durability and water resistance. Scratch-free design. Our wooden cooking utensil set is made of premium quality teak with close-grained hardwood with high organic oil and silica content that is known for being one of the hardest, strongest, and most durable of all timbers. Ideal gift for cooking enthusiasts. These kitchen utensils are beautifully crafted from teak wood, which gives these wooden utensils an aesthetically pleasing ambience to any kitchen. Great gift idea for housewarming, birthday, Christmas, and Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching and subscribe.